guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I created this very smoky yet vampy eye look. It's very fall, I feel. I know we're not in fall yet, but I don't know. This is the look I came up with, and the palette I used for this look is the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I absolutely love this palette. It's so gorgeous. It blends like a dream. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is obviously start with my eyes. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. I haven't thought about it completely, but I know I'm going to start with my eyes first. And obviously the first thing I'm going to do is use the ABH eye primer. I've been liking this a lot more recently, so let's go in with that. I just do like a little bit, like just a one. I feel like that's enough for an eye, or even like both eyes, but like I have a big eye, I think. So I'm gonna go in with that first, and I'm just gonna prime the lid. Alright, so now for the exciting part. I'm super excited to play with it. First of all, look at this packaging. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Love it so much. I love the what the palette comes in. This palette is beautiful. Look at that. I love the feel. I'm so happy it's not gonna get as dirty as fast as the other ones, but I love it. Look at her. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Let me hold this. Oh my goodness. Excuse my chipped nails. I have to redo them, but look at that. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a big wig, which is this matte purple. I'm gonna put that all over the crease, and I blended it out. Nice, I like it. All right, and I'm gonna go in with that pink shade, which is called Supreme, and I'm gonna put that on the top just to blend it out. Alright, so this is what we have so far. I'm actually thinking of deepening the crease, and I want to add a little bit of that brown shade, which is called Credit. And I'm kind of scared it's going to mess it up, but I really feel like it needs more of a deepening shade. I want it more deep. More, I really don't know how to explain. I just want more depth, more darkness in the crease. That's basically what I want. I'm also slightly starting to crease, like in the inner part, and then tried to deepen the crease. Maybe not. I think I just ruined what I had going on so far. Let me add some purple on top of that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Alright, now go in and blend it with that purple brush. Go in with a little bit more of the pink. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did sort of like a cut crease, and I did like a little wing. I have something in mind, but Now that I've done that, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to go into the first shade, which will be... I don't know if I should do the wing first. No, I'm going to do the lid first. So I'm going to go into the shade Sponsored, which is this green. It's such a really dual chrome shade and I really like it. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to put that all over the outer part of the crease. I'm not going to bring it out of the crease, part of the lid. I'm not going to bring it all the way up to the crease where that little wing part is because I want to leave that empty for a different shade. But let's go in. I'm really excited. Nice. I like it. I'm going to leave it up there. That's as far as I'm going to go in. And I'm going to go into the next shade, which is Lituation, like a lit situation. Is that what it means? That's what I think about is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that at the rest of part of the lid. Right. Take this really tiny brush. It's not really that tiny, but I need more of a precision kind of brush. So I'm going to take this shade, which is called Zam. But it's this shade right here. This is what it looks like swatched. And I'm going to put that right where the wing is. Like when I created that little wing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up right here, cut it a little bit right here, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and cleaned it, and then I added some of that pinker shade, which is like a taupe purple. I don't know, it's a plum shade. I don't really know how to explain it. It has a little bit of glitter on it, but I just put it on there. It kind of matches my crease. It's not really... Probably could have used that one to deepen up the crease earlier, but I didn't think of it. Anyways... So this is what it's looking so far like. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera and I also added eyeliner there. It's not even. I tried my best. Oh, and I also did some glitter over here. The shade Dollars, whatever, I can't say it. With that gold, it wasn't really showing up, so I wanted a little bit more of a pop. I mean, I don't think I achieved it, but I added some of the NYX glitter and I used the ABH glitter adhesive. But now, so I went ahead and did the wing. This eyeliner, it's this eyeliner right here. I got it when I bought the Jaggy palette. It's so matte, so easy to use. I'm just really bad at eyeliner, but oh my gosh, I am obsessed with it. I love it. It's so matte and it dries like, I don't know. I gotta add more eyeliner over there. Hold on. So that's that. So now we're gonna move on to the face. Oh, I forgot to grab my primer. Hold on. Alright, so I'm back. So I'm gonna go in real quick with a primer. I'm going in with the Dr. Brandt Pores and More Pore Refiner Primer. It's supposed to minimize the look of pores, absorb oil, and mattifies shine. So I have a bit of shine. Obviously, I have moisturized. I use the Kylie Skin Moisturizer. I'm gonna let you know. At first, I did not like that moisturizer at all. I felt like it really wasn't moisturizing my face, but now I like it a lot more. You do have to use quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, just enough, I guess, for the size of your face. Because I don't think I was using enough for what is the size of my face. So yeah, but now I do like it a lot. I actually wear it all the time. I stopped using one of the moisturizers I was using before. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this primer and yes. Alright, so now for foundation, I'm actually trying a new foundation. Well, on camera. I've tried it before, but I really don't know how I feel about it. I'm going to be using, obviously it's new. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, which is why I went in with a mattifying primer. I feel like it has a luminous finish. So I chose the shade 335W. I think that stands for warm. I am pretty warm. I think it stands for warm. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyways, we're gonna go in. Obviously, like I said, it's a medium to full coverage, so I feel like right now this is a medium. Oh, it's a medium coverage foundation. So I can see it, like there's some things that are still poking through. I'm gonna go in with another layer and I'll be right back to move on to concealer. Alright guys, I'm back. I have now another layer of the foundation on. I really like how it looks. What do you guys think? Tell me. I love how it looks. It looks pretty smooth. Not cakey whatsoever. Alright, so before I go in and contour into the rest of my face makeup, I'm going to do the lower lash line real quick. I'm going to go in with a ginger. I think this is a really deep, nice transition shade. I'm going in with this ginger right here. And I'm just going to run that across the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with Pinker, which is that burgundy, light burgundy shade right here, wine shade. Go put that one all over the lower lash line as well. Oh, actually, I forgot to tell you that I added Credit, that deep brown shade on the outer part of the lower lash line. I just blended it in and connected it to the wing. Alright guys, so that is the lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna contour and do blush, highlight maybe, bronzer obviously. I'm gonna run that pink shade at the end, like really lightly hand, just to blend out the lower lash line a little bit more, to like make it look all blended and not too harsh looking. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so I'll be right back guys. Alright guys, I am back with the completed look. Oh, what do you guys think? Look at this. I added some falsies and I did the lipstick. But yeah guys, this is the completed look. Oh my god, I hate how puffy my hair is. But, yes. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I actually like it a lot. Let me give you my thoughts on this palette. So, first of all, 100 plus, A plus for the packaging. Look at this packaging. So gorgeous. I love it. I love that it's not gonna get dirty. I just like it, and I like the little signature. I just love how it looks. Okay. And then I love the colors inside, like they're so pretty. This gives me fall vibes. Honestly, it's like I could do this. I feel like this is a very fall look. Like I'm gonna post this and I'm gonna be like, somebody said fall is here, because I'm so ready for fall. But I absolutely love this. I went ahead and put this shade as my inner corner. It looks sort of white, but then it has like sort of like a gold undertone. Is that the word? Like a gold shift. I think it's such a stunning shade. So I put that as my inner corner highlight. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh. Yeah, and so I absolutely love this palette. I think it's so nice. I love the color scheme. I love everything about it. Absolutely blended like a dream. Obviously, I'm so excited for the Normita palette. I've actually bought that. It's on the way to me. So excited. Complete different layout. I'm like super excited. But yeah guys, I absolutely love this palette. I think it's so freaking good. I can't wait to play with it even more. And then what else did I try? Oh, the eyeliner. I am in love with this eyeliner. I love how freaking easy it is to use. Love it. Love it so far. I love the purple, and I love that it's so freaking matte black. Love it. I really do like this eyeliner. I think it was really easy to apply, to use. I'm just really bad at eyeliner. But other than that, I think it was pretty nice. Absolutely loved it. And then I really like the foundation. Like I started at 8 o'clock, and it's been like 3 hours maybe since I applied, a little bit more over 3 hours since I applied the foundation, obviously, and I like how it looks. Like it looks pretty good. I like it. I like how my skin looks. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look heavy, it doesn't feel heavy on the face. Like I don't feel like I have makeup on. I mean, I feel my eyes because of the eyelashes, but other than that, I feel pretty nice. I feel good. I like it. I love it. Everything new that I tried. I like the translucent powder, and I like the liquid lipsticks I used. So good. Yeah, overall I really liked everything I used today, and then plus the other ones, the other products that I've used before. Obviously I know they're good and I enjoy using them. But yeah, this is a completed look. I hope you guys liked it, and please let me know down below in the comments if you got this palette. What do you guys think of this palette? Do you like it? I really like it. I really do like it. My mom says I looked really nice, and it's always nice when I get my mom's like, you look good. So yeah. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Bye guys.